Hello my wonderful people, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'll be showing you two different ways that you can style this really cute white and black cheetah print top. It is from Brian, so thank you so much Brian. And we're gonna see what two ways I would personally style this. But before that, just look at Gaston and say hi. You're not gonna say hi? Oh, so mean. But anyway, let's go check them out. So for this first outfit, I decided to, go a bit more basic, and this is more of a summery spring look. And it is just a plain black skirt with, of course, the top, and it is a surplice cami top, and it is a little bit on the shorter side and a bit lower cut, so if you want to wear something underneath, recommend that. But it's a really cute top in general. It is from SHEIN, and it is a size extra small, so fits perfectly. But I really love the way it looks, and I could just put on a pair of like black shoes or white shoes. So this is the other outfit, and this one is fairly simple, and it's more of a fall, winter look if you were to say. And all it is of course a pair of high-waisted Levi's jeans, which these ones are a bit different. They have like writing on it. I love these jeans, my most favorite pair of jeans, and they're like perfect just to go along with any like printed tops, because I feel like it just makes it even more like, I don't know, it makes it pop more than it would usually. And of course I just paired it with a black belt, and I probably wear a pair of white shoes, to go along with the black and white. But I just really love how easy this look is and how cute it looks. So thank you guys for watching my video, and thank you so much Brian for this really cute top. I cannot wait to wear it and see what other outfits I can make with it. And let me know which one of the two outfits was your favorite in the comments down below. Love to see what you guys think, and I will see you in my next video.